Ladies and gentlemen, really, whenever people excited to handshake you, to meet you, to see you, how miraculous. How can I become a huge, prominent, paramount personality in my life? This is my point. They can create outcry in their life by valuing, by working hard, by sacrificing, by dedicating, by contributing his time, his life, his effort, his pains in their life.
Welcome back to English by Hafiz.
My dear sisters, today my vital, highly severe, extremely integral point is that, really, which is so notable, memorable, remindable point. This is how can we develop, evolve, change our life. Because the things which attracted, impacted more in this universe, the point, the logic which attracted, trembled, shiver, shocked in my life, really, believe me guys, could you believe me? This is people's achievement. This is people values. Whenever I saw people, they are very successful. Whenever I saw a successful people, a successful person, he is leaving his house, he is sitting anywhere, he has a great number of fans. People, they are excited to meet, to embrace, to shake, to stand up behind him or her. This kind of scene attracted, tremble more me. Even I thought multiple times, how can we be? How can I be? This is more attractive point. How can I become a huge, prominent, paramount personality in my life? This is my point. Then I am something, I achieve something. So still we are not success. Still we are facing problem. Still we have nothing in my life, in our life. This is the question. Each and every person, he must consider, think, how can he be a personality? Personality means how can you become famous in your country, out of country. This is the question, this is the point which attracted more me. Really, whenever you saw guys, whenever any actor, actress visit any places, how amazing kind of crowd go and respect, salute they are showing. Whenever any politician, leader, successful people, they are visiting, they are going there and where, they are coming in my village area, how are people excited to meet, to see even, to handshake. But still many people, they could not reach there. Alright? So this is skill, this is achievement actually we require. Ladies and gentlemen, everyone, they can create outcry. Everyone, they can create outcry in their life by valuing, by working hard, by sacrificing, by dedicating, by contributing his time, his life, his effort, his pains in their life. Ladies and gentlemen, really, whenever people excited to handshake you, to meet you, to see you. How miraculous types of feeling comes in your heart, in your mind. I could not mention, I could not explain here what we have. Actually, I have no words for that. How are feeling? So these kind of personality you try to be in your life, ladies and gentlemen. कि घर से निकलो, घर से जब आपकी एंट्री हो तो एक बहुत बड़ा मजमा आपके सामने खड़ा है, जो आपका फैन बन के खड़ा है, आपसे हाथ मिलाना चाहता है, आपके पैर झुकना चाहता है, आपको देखना चाहता है, उसकी उमंग है आपको देखने की, वो आपसे मिलना चाहता है, देखना चाहता है एक्चुअल में कि आपके अंदर क्या है, कि आप इतने बड़े और इतने महान हो. This kind of personality you need to be, ladies and gentlemen. And each and every areas you can be just after creating passion, courage, obsession in your body, you can be. First number, you must create excitement, obsession, passion in your body. Ki I have to become famous personality, paramount, prominent personality in this world. Then you can be. You can be. Then you can enjoy, you can realize that how is life, how is my body, how is my feeling. Then you can see, you can realize, feel कि really I did something, I achieved something, I worked hard. So my dear friends, we all are potential. We all have skill and power. Everything we have. But please create outcry. कुछ तहलका मचाइए अपनी जिंदगी में, कुछ नया करिए, नया सोचिए. Just you need to try to do something new, something unprecedented, something miraculous in your life by utilizing your mind, by making effort and pace in your life. You create outcry. Unless you insist, persist, you cannot get. Promise, resolute yourself. I have to do, I have to become. So unless you get success, you continue. You keep on, keep it continue. Really, that is the notable point. I want to tell you just how can you change you in a personality. We all are a person. Just we need try to change our person into the personality. All right? Are you getting? So please identify your skill. Identify your power. Only we all are making excuses. We all are not working. We all are not making effort whatever required to be. That is why still we are unsuccessful. Still we are nothing. Still we are doing kaudi not. That is why we are facing problem. If you start the day you start working hard, the day you start valuing yourself, the day you start identifying reality, what is your reality, what's your virtue, what's your skill, what's your quality, definitely you can go, you can be star of the nation. But it will take time. It's your examination. The day you start working hard, the day you start identifying yourself, the moment you start changing yourself, the day you start sacrificing, the day you start dedicating, contributing, the day you start working hard, the day you start your entire force of your body, definitely very soon it will take time. It will take your perseverance. One day you see, but continue, never ever stop, never ever end. It might be that right among during this period, this journey, this campaign, you will have to face lots of problem. Crisis will come. Face the problem. Face the bull by the horn. Face the problem. One day you see कि you solve you come, you solve, you finish each and every kind of problem in your life. So please resolute, promise, take oath. Today I promise myself, I worked hard, I changed myself, I study work, I give most of the time in my study, and I will continue unless getting success, becoming great, paramount, prominent personality. I work hard. Then automatic, we get each and everything. So please identify, really, you all are the diamond of this world. You all are human being. This is the best creators of the world. This is the best person of the world. You are supreme of this universe. But we are not following. I am repeating multiple times these sentences कि we are not identifying our skill. हम अपनी ताकत को पहचान ही नहीं पाते, और पहचान के हमें कितनी मेहनत कर नहीं पाते. हमारे अंदर है मेहनत करने की कैपेसिटी, लेकिन हम करते नहीं है.